Well guys and girls, it is day 2 and we're on the road. Oh my giddy aunt, look at this bad boy. I was like, is this an alien invasion? Wow, look at these, look how flowy this stretch is. Oh my goodness. Yeah. A chicken! Why did the chicken cross the road? Because it wanted to. Thank you. Oh, our bellies are full. I had some calamari and Mike had some fish pieces.
Actually, expensive fish fingers that weren't as good as fish fingers.
Yeah. Some expensive fish fingers that weren't as good as fish fingers.
Oh, everything's shut off today, so beggars can't be choosers.
Exactly. Everything's closed today, so... Why is everything closed today? It's Monday.
No idea.
Cool.
They work all weekend.
Oh, I see. Wow, these houses are incredible. It's just like a sea of white. Oh, so flowy, so nice. Big truck, big truck. Whoop. Yeah, the houses look awesome.
Yeah, there's nothing like this trip.
No. No, there's absolutely nothing like this trip. It is a very unique experience. It's not really something that you can replicate.
Got music right?
No, I'm not looking. I'm concentrating on getting round because I
can't turn right and turn left.
No. Not on these roads. No, in my look I'll accidentally fly off the cliff.
This is apparently the best road in the
Yeah. Wow. I saw it then. Wow, I love that. It's like Jurassic Park. You know with the.
Oh, it really does.
It really does. Is it? So, what keeps yours and Mike's relationship ticking over? The Jurassic Park theme tune. Oh wow, this road is phenomenal.
I've got a condo down there. That looks amazing down there.
Wow, it looks incredible.
They're clearly very rich. Whoever lives in that down there are very, very rich. That's how it's done.
Wow.
It looks like something out of Jurassic Park.
Yeah, it does. It really, really does. Wow. It's amazing. Look down there. Wow. Gorgeous. Wow. This road is incredible. Spooky car. big Big thing, big thing, big thing. Big thing, big thing. Ugh. Yeah, can you imagine coming on here with somebody with like target fixation? Wow, the views up here. Twists are just so satisfying, and the view of the coast is just stunning. Why? Well, why? What was difficult about it? Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Ah, yeah. It's quite a big gap for here. Ah, I see. That's really cool. Wow, that's a big ass drop. Oh days.
This road is something else though.
The road is so something else. I know. I'm trying to like take it all in my peripherals, but also not like turn my head and look, because I just don't trust my own like coordination. Because we are just so high up, so high. Oh my days! Oh, it's making my belly go funny. Oh.
Definitely not for the faint-hearted.
It's not. When they say it's not for the faint-hearted, they're not lying.
But this road, man, it just literally carves into the side of the mountain.
It really is.
It's something else. You do not get road trips in many places around the world like this.
No, this is just a spectacular experience.
Yeah.
Spectacular. Yeah, this isn't a road that I'd want to go fast on anyway. Like, what kind of psycho would like to come up here and like try and drag me and stuff? I have not a clue, but it would certainly not be me. Oh man, it's just that, it just drops off to the sea. Just drops off to the sea. Wow, it's bloody beautiful. Oh, big wagon, big wagon, big wagon.
That road, though, that was something else. That's a guy. Took your breath away a bit, just how
Gorgeous it is.
Yeah, just how like daunting.
Yeah. Are you being sarcastic? Did he look happy?
The second guy was like, had a big
Oh, a big cheesy grin. Love it. I thought you were being sarcastic because everyone seems to have a sour face. How can you have a sour face over here?
Oh, because everything's hard to get work.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, how naive of me to be like, you've got fantastic roads, forget about all your other life problems.
Yeah. Forget about paying your bills and eating.
Yeah. Forget about survival, you've got wonderful roads. A tunnel! A little one. Oh, NC750 power that. Bottled up, clenched, ready to go.
Like, this is a motorcycling holiday.
100%.
Like there's tours, but this is a motorcycle holiday. Like,
Yeah.
you gotta be expected to do a lot of miles.
Yeah. Wow. I see the sea.
I've got a battery swap.
Yep. I see the sea. So guys, we're on the West Coast Road and we've been riding some twisties, as you will see. And it's just sea. All we see is sea. Just a nice little point to get some water. Just look at that. Wild. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah, it was so nice to just stop up there, and that view is something else. That view was beautiful, the way the rocks met the ocean. Oh, divine. I have to say, I feel like it's as hot as yesterday now. So I feel like it started off a bit cooler, but it's just gone as hot, in my opinion. Wow. When you look down there, you can see the road snaking. That is cool.
I feel like this trip would be good for someone who can ride but wants a bit of confidence, because after you do this you can have all the confidence in the world.
It's just constant.
No option but to do the hard stuff.
Yes, you've no option but to do the hard stuff. It forces you to do the hard stuff. It's like before, those two hairpins, the first two hairpins of the day that were really like one after each other but really steep. Do you remember them?
Yeah.
I was a bit like, oh, do I have the capacity? But I did, thankfully. But you don't know unless you're doing it, do you? Wow. Oh my days. This is so freaking cool.
We've been on a normal road.
Yeah, it does. Feels weird that they have this beautiful infrastructure in the middle of the mountains. Because it is pretty awesome infrastructure. Bananas.
Might not be bananas,
B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Oh, it's hot. An observation, not a complaint. I have to keep reminding myself because it's never warm, so I don't want to be complaining. Hell no, to the no, no, no. Yeah, it's just lovely that apparently back home it was like touched touched 0 degrees at night. It's October, mid-October, and yeah, we're here in the middle of a heat wave. Suckers. Oh, I feel so evil, Mike. It's not me. Jeez Louise, how long? How long? There we go. I love that, go in front. I'll stay out for you, Mike. Wicked. It's so cool that they have Repsol garages. Just like a mad throwback. 32 degrees. Sheesh. It reminded me of a Tamagotchi. You know that sign? Oh, this tarmac is just gorgeously smooth. Car coming up, or coming down, should I say? So yeah, oh wow, lots of birds of paradise. Oh, they're banana plants. They are banana plants. Yeah, that's what a banana plant looks like. They sell them in the garden centre near me, but obviously on a much smaller scale. They're not producing any fruit. But banana plants are so cool. These are them as well, they're just not covered. And they look fab. Oh my god, how sad am I? I just love plants. I'm an absolute plant. A tree! Greenery! I'm a plant fiend. Oh, big thing, big thing. That's amazing. I'm so glad I could see through the net and see them. I don't know why all of a sudden at the age of like in my 30s I've picked plants as my hobby. Like to know like what they are, and they're just cool. And plants make everything better. It's like a happy colour. Green, fresh, nature, happy. That's why as much as I slag off the rain in the UK, it's necessary for all the beautiful greenery we have when we travel through Yorkshire and stuff. It'd just be barren land otherwise. Oh, I love it when the tarmac glistens with like the glass in it, or the rough stuff to make it super grippy.
Hairpin.
Hairpin, hairpin. What rhymes with hairpin? Terrapin.
Maybe that's some terrapin.
Did you?
Yeah.
With these stinky mother truckers?
Really?
No. Yeah, but I knew a girl that had terrapins and she had loads of them and they were stinkers. Yeah, probably. So I've had this bad opinion of terrapins all along and it wasn't their fault. How many did you have? 3? Terrapins. Wait, so what were they called? Can you remember?
What?
Your terrapins, 3 of them.
Terrapins?
What, you just called them terrapins? You didn't? Why didn't they have names, you sadist?
Why would we name them?
Why would you not name them? They're pets.
No.
Well, what?
You name a goldfish?
Yes.
You're weird.
Why the hell would you not name a goldfish? You don't just call it goldfish. Bloody awful, Michael. Yeah, so you know them trees there? That's, I think, a bird of paradise. So we are back in after a phenomenal day on the roads of Gran Canaria. Today we went and did the west coast, and as you guys will have seen, absolutely phenomenal. Nice blue sea to the right, lovely roads around the mountain, absolutely perfect. Now it's time to get some grub and see what tomorrow holds. So take care, guys.